pay for this
Okay,
stuff.
sit back in your car. We'll figure this out in a second. All right, here, pull up a couple more for you so I can get behind you.
Okay.
Central Park. That's what Shane is in there is Wood Park. Jump right in.
135. I gotta stop you in front of the store.
No, I'll stop the boat.
Yeah, just for now.
Okay, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, no, we're gonna trust me. We're gonna figure it all out. You got your DL on you real quick?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I had just bought this car.
Okay, just here, just sit down, relax for a second, okay?
I have a flesh-eating bacteria, sir.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep, I see it.
And I had came here to get this stuff.
Okay.
I just bought this car. The dude that I bought it from went to jail.
Okay.
So I'm having problems with it.
Let's go in the AP office.
Well, no, because I didn't do nothing.
Well,
Okay, you know what, fine.
Well, here's what we're
I
gonna
don't want my car towed and stuff, because I need my stuff.
All right. I will try and help you as much as I can.
I don't want to touch nobody. I have a flesh-eating
Okay,
bacteria.
I got you. All right.
That's why I don't want to do that.
Well, you're gonna have to wait here for somebody else to get here and sit with you then. So
That's fine. That's fine. I ain't got no problem with that. Can I smoke my cigarette?
Yeah. Hey, so what's your first name?
Maria. I have a warrant in Collinsville, but they told me all I had to do was come in, and that's what I plan on doing yet tomorrow.
Right. Maria, what's your middle initial?
Before I went into the hospital.
What's your middle initial?
I don't have one, sir.
What's your last name?
I don't got no lighter.
I got you. You got a phone number? Okay, I'm gonna figure out what's going on.
I didn't steal nothing.
Okay, well, all right.
April 23rd, 2024. A loss prevention officer in Madison County, Illinois, called police after watching a woman leave with merchandise she hadn't paid for. She was still in the parking lot when officers arrived. The officer didn't arrest her on the LP account alone. He pulled the surveillance footage first. She walked in at 1:22 in the afternoon with nothing. That frame ended her defense before it started, and it's exactly what Illinois versus Gates requires. Corroboration across independent sources before probable cause is established.
135, copy 1, 2729. All right, what's up, man? What's going on?
This is
Did she actually get the stuff, or?
Yeah, it's about the girls know.
Okay, I just need somebody else to get here.
Yeah, that's right.
So what did she buy?
I'm just looking for a lighter.
Yeah, it looks
She
like
got the TV?
Yeah, it looks like she got the TV. She got a bunch of stuff, other stuff like the vacuum and tides
What
and
did she
stuff
not?
like that.
What did she not pay for?
That's what I believe. She didn't pay for. The girls know.
Oh, we gotta find out. But this is what she did pay for.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
All right. 135. Who's responding out here is Becca? This is a fun one.
Yeah, man.
All right. Just kidding. What we got? So she paid for this stuff?
She come to this all the time.
She had way more stuff then.
This her third time this week.
That she stole?
Yes. She only got caught today.
We got 4 items on her.
She pushed out a TV
So where's
on Sunday.
well the TV? She's got a TV on there.
Yeah, no, she bought a TV today, but I'm saying
She pushed out
right on
Sunday.
Sunday. A TV.
Okay.
So
Do you have video of all that and everything?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm trying to get her coming in because she's saying she came in with all that stuff. She did not.
They said she's what?
She said she came in with all that stuff in her book.
All right. Well, let's see what's going on before we.
But you did the video.
Huh? You see the video? Work walking out with it?
Yeah.
I know the time that she did.
Because if she tried to make an argument to one of you guys that she came here with the stuff, right? Then the first thing we need to do is validate she walked in the store or not.
Yep. Cause look, that's her.
Yep.
And that's all the stuff.
That's a whole different TV, ain't it? Oh wait, I don't know.
Go back to this I'm gonna keep I'm walking it up.
Which car is hers?
This one right here.
Okay.
So this is like 12:30. 12:30. Yeah. She's still a vacuum every time, so I knew that vacuum went on her. She reselling the stuff on Facebook. She out here explaining to them. That's crazy. There's nothing to explain. You can steal in here.
We got more officers out there. Yep. Are they making her come in?
There she is.
Yep.
There she is.
Let me see. Let me see these other items. We're gonna make her watch. See, all right, so I see it. Oh yeah.
Look.
All right, so that's at least.
Pause it.
All right, yeah, just stay right there.
Yep. And she said she bought, and she got 4 items: Tide, TV, and trash
So
bag.
she paid for Tide. She paid for the hefty trash.
Okay.
And she got the TV.
But she has plug-ins. She has Febreze air freshener.
So this is what, $13.47? Just leave it right there.
Okay.
Renew any gaming sub or find a new one on G2A.com. All in seconds. Game Pass, PS Plus, top.
Okay, let me stand back here.
All right, so you can see right there, she's only paid for the TV, the Tide, the hefty.
Yeah.
That vacuum is not paid for.
Okay, so she's telling us she came in the store with the vacuum and the cricket.
No, she absolutely didn't. She walked in at 13:22 with nothing. That's her.
What she do?
You seen video of her entering the store empty-handed?
Yeah, well, fast forward that. This is her getting out of her car. So, yeah, I did.
You
Yeah,
did?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to take her back to the car. This
So you
is
guys want
subsequent.
to, she paid for the TV?
Yeah, just let me actually walk her in with nothing before I arrest her.
What,
We got to do another case on her for Sunday,
They said
right?
she's done this
Sunday.
before.
She pushed out on Sunday.
she did?
I guess I think I
How much?
Probably around $300-$400.
Okay.
We're trying to get that together.
So I guess I can just book her.
Well, what I would do is confirm on Collins's warrant.
Yeah.
Transport her, meet a council officer at Hollywood Heights or something. Give them to her. Give her.
And then do I have custody for this?
She wanted for theft and Collinsville anyway because she pushed out on them and called
Wonder
me.
about-
Not like $800 on it.
Oh, so
that's
nothing was
what-
worried about that
2,000.
infection.
2,000?
Stop for that. Go ahead and confirm on the warrant, please.
Okay, she did.
Then we can call Collinsville while I take it down there. In paperwork.
So is the case from this weekend from this store or Collinsville store?
No, this is us right now.
The vacuum and the cricket materials are today from
Yeah,
this
today.
store.
Yeah, that's just now.
The case you were referencing that you had a case on it from, what was it, Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Is that this store or Collinsville?
No, this is this store.
This store? Okay.
What are we going to do with the car? Leave it here?
When she's done, sanitize her car. And then whatever she touches in booking, also sanitize. And if you need help, I'll go back to help you clean.
Well, yeah, I'm going to take it back.
That stuff is super
Say what? All right, ma'am.
Some of those stuff that y'all got is my stuff that I got from a different store a long time
You have
ago.
a receipt?
I can't get the receipt when I bought them weeks ago. Them vitamins are mine, and one of them are open. One of them, they came from Walmart in Green City. Now, I can show you one of them is open. The dude wipes are my dude.
All right,
I
we'll
didn't
bring
get
them
those
in.
from
All right,
Ricky.
sit down,
If they
babe.
wasn't on the receipt, they shouldn't be in that buggy. I'm telling you.
You sit down. If we can find out that you're
Here, we're
They
going to do
are
it.
mine.
Anyway, here, look,
Y'all
set
just
it
need to
down.
clean my whole car out.
Set that
Thanks,
down.
but no thanks.
Here, look, stand up. Stand up and turn around.
No.
I'm putting you in handcuffs.
Why?
Because you are.
I'm good because y'all taking stuff that's not mine.
Okay, well, we'll figure that out, but you have to stand up and put your hands on your back.
stand up, Mario.
Come on.
Why y'all put me in jail?
I'm going to take you to the department, and we're going to interview you. I'm going to book you there, and then...
What's going to happen to my car?
I'm not going to tow the car.
Can I move it somewhere else?
We'll take it. We have room in the car.
You have a cell phone with you?
No, I don't.
No.
I don't have anything.
You have anybody that lives around here?
No. No, listen, can I call somebody to come? Hold on, can I call somebody to come get it?
Yeah, you can.
Can I use the phone? I don't have the phone.
Are you working with them?
With Collinsville?
Yeah.
Yeah, what they
So what they finna do?
There's a phone number in the cab for you to call.
Okay.
Okay.
So just have a seat.
So we got to figure out. Remember, I explained to you we got to wait to find out what Madison County says because you've got a court case in Madison County that you got to clear up. Okay. So now we need to get with Madison County to find out what's going on. Would you like? Because a lot of times they may not admit you. They may just give you a court date and say come back at a later date because they may not want that.
And what, I'm gonna get out of jail tomorrow?
If they
take you.
That's
They're not gonna take me.
Yeah, because here's the thing. Is listen, with these people at the jail, their main goal is keeping that out of the population. Okay.
But y'all still gonna take me?
Well,
So I'm taking you to a Fallon. Okay, we're gonna go to a Fallon, and then I'm gonna book you, and we're gonna interview, and then I'm gonna release you. That's pro Fallon side of it.
What am I gonna do with the car?
Well, we're gonna let you park it here.
That's fine. Where the
We're
keys
not
gonna
gonna
go?
tow it. Well, he's gonna come back. He's got the
If I'm
keys.
gonna lose my car, I don't give a f. I don't
sit down.
As long as I use my
Just sit
car.
down until we're done.
Okay. Listen, normally if that car got towed for a felony retail theft, which is a felony, it would be $500 to get that in.
Right.
If Officer Goodman's letting you park it on the lot,
Thank you.
he is cutting you on.
I don't want to use my car. I don't care if I gotta walk it. So after we do the old Fallon thing, then what?
So it's gonna be two things. Either I'm gonna let you go and somebody's gonna pick you up and bring you back to your car, or you're gonna I'm good. Or you're gonna go be transported to Collinsville.
Can you hang with
I ain't gonna be transferred. Collinsville already know about me.
Right. So if they don't, that's fine. But I gotta take you back. All right. So the more cooperative you are, I'm helping you out with the car. Okay?
Right, I appreciate that.
Okay. So look, it'll take us an hour tops. So go down there, we'll book you. Then we're gonna do an interview for this, and then I'll kick you loose. And I'll explain that process after. Okay.
The day I'm paying for shit. Not the day I'm stealing, but the day I'm paying.
All right. So I'm just gonna secure you in the car for now. All right. Let's turn around, and then we'll figure out the rest of this. All right. Not too tight as that? All right.
Oh, not working.
135, one female in custody. Hold on, ma'am. I gotta check you real quick. All right. Just gotta check. Do you have anything else on you?
On my I got a razor blade in there.
Do you?
Yeah, this right here.
Which one?
Right there. I keep it on me.
Where? Right underneath this?
Yep, it's white. It's a razor blade.
All right. Well, you can't grab it. It's inside?
Yeah. This is a razor blade. This is a straight razor.
Why do you have a straight razor?
Because I'm black and I go through a lot of stuff.
Heard that.
Just uncuff this one, Brad.
No, I can't do that.
You said it's on this side?
It's on this side right here. This is a straight razor.
You shake
grab
your
it.
wallet.
No, I got a good bra on. It's just a straight razor. It's right there. It's right there. Just grab it, man. It's not that big of a goddamn deal. Just grab the thing. Just grab it. Grab the wallet.
This?
Grab the wallet.
This?
No, grab it. Wait, it's right there. It's right there. You feel it? You feel it? It's right there.
She's saying to grab it.
Just grab it.
All right.
You can grab it. We don't care, but grab it. Grab it. I authorize you to grab it.
Okay.
Just grab the goddamn thing. It's a
All right, anytime.
It's a razor, it don't matter. It's right there. Grab it.
Right here?
It's right here, baby. It's right there. You see it? Just grab it.
I got to feel first. I don't want to cut myself. All right.
You're not going to cut yourself. It's closed. Just grab it.
I don't feel right.
Just grab it.
Well, yeah. We'll probably have you can have a female officer in the station where it's right.
This hurts.
Here.
Just relax. Let's not a big deal. You're handcuffed.
Meatless the station.
All right.
Privacy.
All right, let's do that.
Yep.
All right, my car's over here. To the right.
Yeah. We're going to have a female officer, meatless in the station, in privacy, in the room, with no video.
I ain't nobody care about this. It's a goddamn titty.
I heard that, but we need to protect your privacy.
My privacy was young when I was about 5.
We'll have to take the one. All right, hang tight for that. Well, you don't have to do that. Here, I'll tell you.
I just want to smoke a square, man. I ain't trying to.
Where are your cigarettes anyway?
Huh?
Where are your cigarettes?
They're in my glove compartment right there as soon as you open them up. I'm not trying to run. I don't care about none of that shit.
All right, here, how about?
I'm pretty sure I ain't going to jail.
I'm just going to move your handcuffs to the front.
I'm pretty sure I ain't going to jail.
You're not going to give me any more trouble, right?
No. I'm not stupid.
All right.
Oh, you got double lock in there.
Here you go. Take that. That's how easy that was. It was right there.
Yeah, you got stuff you don't can't.
Yeah, no, y'all can't do that.
All right, let's look at the policy. All right, just hang tight right here.
Okay,
You stand right by my car.
I'm standing
right by the door. And I got this. We're good on this, girl.
I think my lighter's right there.
Where's your lighter at?
So you uncuffed her and she got it? Do you just want to get a female?
No, I'm good. That's what's okay. Yeah, she's getting her cigarettes, so she just, it's all right.
You can disregard them.
She wasn't gonna be able to do this. I don't know. This is a good idea. Tell her she could do this though. Where's your ladder at?
It's right there.
There's some in the station too.
It's right there. Thank you.
Where at?
It's right there. It should be all right.
The what?
Might be called
Alright, just grab it real quick. Alright, just grab it real quick. We need to hurry up. I need to get her out of here, so.
Okay.
Any prior theft conviction, it's a Class 3 felony. The Sunday incident at the same store was estimated at $300 to $400. Combined with today's unpaid items, the felony threshold clears without question. This was her third theft at the same store that week, with evidence she was reselling on Facebook. That pattern triggers 720 ILCS 516-30 organized retail crime, which carries separate and higher exposure than standard shoplifting. A Class 3 felony means 2 to 5 years in state prison, a permanent record, and up to $25,000 in fines. She also disclosed an active warrant in Collinsville unprompted. An outstanding warrant is an independent legal basis for custody, fully separate from the theft arrest. 2 grounds for detention existed simultaneously. Officers coordinated interjurisdictional transfer through dispatch to resolve both. The moment handcuffs went on, Miranda attached. Under Miranda versus Arizona, any custodial interrogation after that point required advising her of the right to silence and counsel before it could proceed. The officer stated on camera he intended to interview her at the station. If that interview happened without a Miranda warning, every statement made in it is inadmissible, full stop. Before arrest, it's a different picture. Pre-custodial statements made during an investigative stop don't require Miranda. Everything she said in that parking lot, the warrant disclosure, the competing explanations for the merchandise, the claims about her bag happened before custody attached. Most of it is admissible at trial without any Miranda problem at all. During the pat-down, she disclosed a straight razor concealed on her person. The officer deferred retrieval to a female officer in a private room at the station. Under Chimel versus California, he had the right to retrieve it. Immediately search incident to arrest covers the full person. He chose not to. Sound call on officer safety, subject dignity, and department liability simultaneously. The razor opens a potential charge under 720 ILCS 524-1, unlawful use of weapons. A concealed bladed weapon in public can satisfy that statute. The blade was folded, no threat was made, and she disclosed it voluntarily, all mitigating. Whether a prosecutor files that charge is discretionary. The exposure is real regardless. The officer gets a B+. He built probable cause, methodically witness, video, receipt before moving. He kept the encounter calm and answered her questions about the car and booking process straight. The gap. No documented Miranda warning on camera before announcing his intent to interview. That's the one suppression risk in an otherwise clean arrest. The subject gets a C. She didn't physically resist, that's the floor, not a ceiling. She disclosed the warrant unprompted, offered explanations she couldn't prove, and talked through the entire encounter without ever invoking the Fifth Amendment. Every statement she made in that parking lot is potential trial evidence. 3 takeaways. Surveillance footage doesn't negotiate. A time-stamped entry shot of someone walking in empty-handed is worth more than anything said afterward. An outstanding warrant doesn't shrink because you mention it first.